Warning, I am not a professional. This is just a hobby of mine, and then from time to time I get distracted and do stupid things like cutting my finger off. Please don't do that. That really effing hurt.
O'Brien!
I'm trying to make a video! Hi. Jesus. All right, so if you have been watching, you see the hairspray technique done, okay? That was the hairspray technique. Full video. It's that one right there. Okay? It's that video right there. I'll put a link in the description. I'm going to finish this. What I'm going to do to it, I don't know. You know what I do. Come on. Just build random crap. I don't know what I don't know. I don't know. So, since I have no idea what the hell I'm doing, let's get started. All right, so, of course, going to start with that again. Don't know exactly what I'm going to do here. I know I'm going to rot out the bottom. I'm going to rust out the top. It's just going to be a field find. That's just been sitting there for 50 years. So, completely rotting away. So, you know what, maybe I should just I'm going to grind out the rockers first before I go even this far. So, let's get to that. Alright, so that's done. Both sides there. Now, I'm going to start using that stuff. Start doing the top. And work my way down to the rust on there. And see what else I can come up with. I lied. I did the chrome first. Be a perfect time to do the chrome because I gotta leave in a little bit. So while I'm out doing whatever I'm doing, let that dry underneath the fan. So perfect time for that. So I just did the interior tub a little bit. All that is just masking tape on top of the sprayed tub, which is gray. I just used a primer, and then that masking tape, I just cut it away after I painted it with another acrylic gray, and then just tore back some of the tape and weathered it a little bit with the model wash. You're not going to see much of this by the time I get done with it again, so I just wanted to just do a little bit, and that's all. That's all I wanted to do. Back to this stuff. Gonna do the whole body now. Use all this model wash and those two. Mainly the rust and the orange, maybe some of the black. So as you can see, I got the first layer on, and I've said this in other videos before, you're not going to do it the first time. It's all about layering. Okay, so you got to keep on going at it. There's a lot of stuff on here that I got to just go over with like 1,000 or 2,000 grit, and you get the brush marks out of it, get all the stuff off the high points and a little bit of buildup, and then I'll go back over it again with more rust. Yeah, I sprayed it with window tint, and I don't like the shininess on there, so that's kind of sucks. But I got like I'll dull it down. But with the 1,000 and 2,000 grit, we'll dull that down. But yeah, just keep going here. So I painted the engine bay with the Vallejo environment, and then just washed it down with the model wash, the black. Now I'm going to start using, oh yeah, I did the trunk too. Might throw some stuff in the trunk, I don't know. Because the car's just gonna be sitting in the, of course, out in the field in the diorama like this. So you're not really, I was gonna put stuff on the inside, but that inside's so dark anyways, and with that window in it, oh yeah, how you like the window? Cell phone glass. So once I get everything, you know, once I get it on the diorama, you're not really going to notice anything on the inside, and you're not even gonna really see the trunk, I don't think, anyways. So I'm just worried about more of the front and the sides and where you can see at the top, and that's about it. But now I'm going to move on to some of the weathering powder there. Might even use some of the pastels over here. I don't know. Just watch the video. That's it. I'm done. Just gonna sit in the diorama, so not really gonna get too crazy. See, the bottom's not even, you're not gonna see any of that, because this thing's gonna be sitting in the dirt. So put some couple old tires in the back, but it's as far as I'm going with that. Yeah, it's just gonna sit there. So yeah, it looks good to me. All right, so that's it for that one. I don't know what the next one's gonna be. Haven't decided yet. So like this video, comment, share, subscribe. Ophelia is over there. I'm not even gonna get into what is going on. I gotta go. Bye. Hey, thanks for watching the video. If you like the channel, please go subscribe. Or if you like more videos like this, go watch this playlist. Or you can go check out one of these other videos over here. Yeah, thank you.
Are you about finished with your idiotic YouTube video?
Will you leave me the hell alone?